Professor Thomas, does that worry you that this new assertive BJP and the well-entrenched left will become slowly principal players in Kerala? Congress will get squeezed out. That if there are disenchanted Congress workers, they are turning now to the right, to the BJP as a potential alternative. Does that worry you? That the future, after so many decades of LDF versus UDF politics, we may now have a third player in Kerala. And that will increase the hyper-politicization.
I do agree on certain points, because if Congress becomes weak, or if CPM becomes weak, then who is coming up is the BJP-RSS combination. And if you look at the political model of the last 17 years, from CPM workers as 85, and BJP workers, RSS workers 65, and for us, UDF, it is less than 10. So it's a position. So we are worried because whatever said and done, there is some kind of a democratic principle between we and the left parties. There are some ideological differences. But when it comes to RSS and BJP, they use all mechanisms. And these mechanisms are highly undemocratic. And with the government in power in Delhi.
Give me an example. You are making a very serious charge. You are suggesting that the RSS BJP is rising in Kerala on anti-democratic principles.
Yes, the government in India
no, give me an example.
Yes, I have put example, hundreds of examples. Government agencies are misused against the political rivalries. The central government agencies raid. We have seen so many raids in Kerala against the political rivalries. This is going on, unprecedented. I was a member of parliament from 1984. I was in the central government. We have never used it, but we find out in Kerala now the central agencies are being misused. This is a very serious situation, not in Kerala, throughout the country.
Mr. Sampath, as you look ahead, you've been in politics for several years. Do you believe that the rise or the emergence at the moment of the BJP will only increase in a way this political competitiveness and perhaps actually over the next decade lead to more clashes? Kerala will go through a period of turmoil as the BJP rises and you and the Congress try to protect your political space. Is that possible? Is that a worry?
You see, most of the people, they go to various places of worship, but they are against religious fundamentalism. As I started my dialogue with you, a majority of the Malayalis, they just like they are what we call born in politics, grow in politics just like that. In the psyche and in their body and also as in their mind also, the politics is there. Whatever they say, sometimes they may say that I don't have any politics. Definitely they have. But they do not agree with political extremism. That is why the Maoists, etc., they cannot have that much of what they can have. Even though they try their best, they cannot grow in Kerala. Here you see, the percentage of the vote of the BJP is almost the same during the last local body election and during the last Lok Sabha election and during the last assembly election also. I may be permitted to say that unfortunately the Kerala Pradesh Congress has become the fixed deposit of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the present political situation in Kerala.
Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee has become the fixed deposit of the BJP. And the Congress accuses the BJP of being hand in glove with the left. That there is some kind of tacit alliance that has been struck between left and right.
They can always say that because it's a party which has offered 7 states, the governments of 7 states in front of the BJP. It is just like the procrastination, I may say. What has happened in Karnataka, what has happened in Madhya Pradesh, and what has happened in Goa, and the last example, the latest one is in Puducherry, you all know. It is not due to our fault. It is not due to our fault. Nobody will blame us. Here you see in Kerala, not even a single MLA was, the BJP tried, even though whatever exercise they may engage, they are not able to purchase, they will never be able to purchase even a single MLA from the left democratic front.
UDF, Professor Thomas, UDF MLAs are purchasable?
I'm sorry, my friend Sampath forgets some facts. Because except in Kerala, in other states we are hand in hand. In West Bengal we are fighting together. So how can Congress be a fixed deposit of BJP? In Kerala, our complaint is to finish us from the political scene. There is some kind of understanding with CPM in Kerala, not the entire CPM national level, but CPM Kerala and the BJP go together because once Congress is finished, so they have got a better chance. So I don't agree with my friend that we are the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee is not the fixed deposit. What we find is we are the only party which in Kerala we have to fight both CPM and the BJP.